Do you love delicious handmade spaghetti with fresh tomatoes and basil? Perhaps you prefer fettuccine with a creamy sumptuous Alfredo sauce, or maybe even an exotic bigoli with sun-dried tomatoes and luscious shrimp. Introducing Fresh Pasta Express, the secret to easy, authentic Italian cooking, right in your own kitchen. Now you can create dreamy homemade pasta dishes in just minutes. Simply pour in your preferred flour, add eggs, and mix to create the dough. And voila! Perfectly formed pasta that's ready in under a minute. Imagine fresh handmade pasta. Enough for the whole family. Fresh Pasta Express is fully submersible and can go right in the dishwasher. Use any ingredients you choose, such as aromatic herbs and spices, fresh seafood, or healthy vegetables. Perfect for a private romantic dinner. Great for bringing the family together with warm, healthy, and delicious meals that will keep them coming back for more. Get creative with flavored pastas like spinach or other vegetables, whole wheat, and even gluten-free. Kids will love making fun desserts like decadent chocolate pasta and irresistible funnel cake. It's all here in the Fresh Pasta Express recipe book. If you are a pasta lover, then you're going to absolutely love easy-to-make homemade pasta made in minutes with Fresh Pasta Express.
Think outside the box and order your Fresh Pasta Express with recipe book and 3 discs for making spaghetti, linguine, and bigoli pasta for only $19.99. Order in the next 10 minutes and you'll also get 3 bonus discs for creating gnocchi, fettuccine, and star pasta. But wait, you'll also get the ravioli maker for making perfectly shaped ravioli with delicious custom filling. You get it all for only $19.99. This offer is not available in stores, so call or click now.